How to hide online status on WhatsApp. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide on how you can hide that you're online or how you can hide your active status on WhatsApp. Now to do so is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you. First, open up the WhatsApp and log into your account. Make sure you're logged in, and here what you want to do is tap on the three dots option at the top right corner of your screen, and here what you want to do is head into settings. Here on list of options, what you want to do is head into the privacy option that you can see below the account option. Simply tap on privacy and you'll be able to find the first option here, last seen and online. You can see who can see my personal info, and under it you'll find last seen and online. Simply tap on it and you'll be able to choose who can see your last seen. Now if you want everybody to see your last seen, you can simply tap on everybody. If you want only your contacts to see your last seen, you can simply tap on my contacts, or if you want to hide it from particular, you can choose it from here. Or if you don't want anybody to look at your active status and you want to hide your online status, simply tap on nobody, and who can see when I'm online, simply tap on same as last seen. So this way you can hide your online status on WhatsApp. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.